In this guide, we're going over how you can play Rocket League split screen on a PS4, PS5, Xbox, Xbox Series XS, PC, whatever the platform you might be on. Before we do get into this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, in order to do split screen here in Rocket League, you're going to need at least two input devices, so essentially two controllers, and both controllers are going to need to be connected to your system, and that's literally it. Essentially, just plug in like an Xbox controller, right? And then plug in something like a PlayStation controller, and you can connect them with like, USB or Bluetooth or whatever it might be. As soon as both are technically connected, you can launch Rocket League and then just press the options button to join. And you're going to see like a button down in the very bottom that says press options to join. Select that and the second player is now going to show up in your game. On console, it's pretty much the exact same thing. That was the PC guide. But essentially sign into one account, launch Rocket League, and then go ahead and connect that secondary controller anyway, whether it's through USB-C or through Bluetooth. And once you do that, it's going to prompt you to sign into another account, sign into that account, and then you'll see a button down here or over here saying press options to join, and you'll be good to go. It really is as simple as that. You can actually play online in split screen. You could just go to play up at the very top and then go into casual or competitive, and it really is as simple as that. I do want to say real quick, you can change the settings for split screen as well. You can go to settings just like so in the gameplay tab, and this is going to be the split screen layout right here. So changes from vertical to horizontal, depending on whatever works for you best. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.